It is a lovely Sunday by the ocean, and I am repotting some coffee plants on the ground where I prefer, I suppose, to work. So these are all from a very old typica tree, very high elevation in Pahahoy, Colombia. And I basically just took this. I've been trying to just take a wide pot and start, as many seedlings as I can, but they get awfully tangled. And when I went to take this out at first, oops, I'm sorry. I'm holding it upside down. They're all stuck to the pot, and I just thought this was a really interesting example of how even on a seedling, how deep the coffee roots go. How they like deep soils, light soils, and so when I'm trying to separate these, what I tend to do, I guess I could wash out the roots, but I really want to be very gentle and preserve the root as much as possible. But gosh, I need two hands. Excuse me a second. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is incredible to me. So here's a little guy. I think I've burned the leaves a little bit because I've been spraying a kind of nutrient on the leaves lately. I don't know if you can see this. Let me lay it down here. Let me lay it down. Let's measure it on Opal's back. Thank you, Opal. So here it is. Look at this root. It just goes and goes and goes. So it was coiling around the bottom of the pot, which is why growing coffee in a pot is not ideal. But that's the world I live in. And so I guess what I do is I buy these little things from IKEA, because I basically put these plants at Sweet Maria's warehouse for sale for charity, not for profit. And I bring the seeds back from trips, and I cultivate them like this, and then put them for sale. So I guess I'm just going to coil this sucker around in here. But I buy these because they're like 49 cents at IKEA, and just to keep them alive for a little while. I think clay pots are much better for managing moisture in coffee, because it really likes to dry out between watering. But I just find this incredible right here. So anyway, growing coffee is super fun.